Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Amazon haul and also a head swap. Okay, so to get started, I got this doll right here. She came on a different body. She came on a plain old Barbie body, and I had gotten her from Coffee Breaks and Crafts, which is now Dall House here on YouTube. I will link her in the description box down below. But I went ahead and I took her head off that body that she came with, and I put her on a made to move body, and this is the hiking body, and she kind of looks like a Raquel. Am I right? Am I wrong? I don't know. She kind of got that soft look of a Raquel. Anyways, so I wasn't sure if she was going to fit the plain tone body, and I couldn't find my made to move. Like, I only had one made to move, and I didn't know where I had put it at. And then I recently found it yesterday, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna rip your head off, and I'm gonna put you on this made to move body. And I think it turned out pretty good. You can't really tell too much of a difference, I don't think. I'll try and zoom in and show you. Like, I think she looks cute. Okay. So anyways, I dressed her in this outfit that I made. I made the jean jacket, this dress, I made this necklace. I did that in a video, I believe. I'll link down below too. I made this purse. I made one in a video too, and I'll link it down below. And there's her made to move body, and she is the hiking Barbie that comes with like the orange backpack. I'll insert a picture if I can find one. And then she's got on these shoes that comes from the fashionista with the rainbow dress, the dark skin tone doll. Okay, so that is her. And I also named her Vern. She's going to be in a new show that I am making. I'm actually already wrote the storyline of what I want her to play, and let's just say she's not very nice. I got the purple top made to move doll off of Amazon for around, I'm gonna round up to $15, and I think she is beautiful. She's very posable. I love her. She's very rare in the dolly community because I know she's really hard to find, and the fact that I could find her on Amazon for super cheap, I was like, yes. And I really wanted to get the curvy one, but for the price of the curvy, I could get two other dolls for just a little bit more, so that's what I did. But anyways, I went ahead and I got her. She's fully articulated and she's beautiful. I love the pale skin tone. Again, I thought she was going to work best for Vern, but Vern is a little bit darker than this skin tone, so I am going to head swap her, possibly with Gabby, unless I want to keep Gabby curvy. I have yet to decide, and if you don't know who Gabby is, she is my pink-haired beauty that I had gotten from my bestie here on YouTube and Instagram, and I feel like she's my bestie in real life too, even though I've never met her. Her name is Little Crafty Kitty, aka Erica, so I will link her channel down below too, so you can check her out. But anyways, I'm definitely going to head swap this doll later on, but for now, she's going to stay intact. Okay, so for the next purchase that I got off of Amazon, I will link his price somewhere on the screen if I can remember. He was either $10 and something or $9 and something. Anyways, he was super cheap. And this is a BTS doll. I have no idea what his name is, but you know what his name is going to be? His name is going to be Winston. Dun, 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 dun. I think he looks like a Winston. He's super cute. So anyways, I am not a BTS fan. I've never listened to BTS. K-pop is not my thing. I'm a heavy metal country girl, so just putting that out there. Anyways, I like his smile. He's got like a really nice smile, and look at those dimples. I think he may have the pixelated face that everyone is talking about how much they don't like it, but if this is the pixelation, then I love it because it's super cute, and I really like his eye makeup. Like, it's very soft, but subtle, and it highlights the eyes nicely, and I really like that. And his bottom lip is a little bit barer than his top lip, and it's so cute, and it looks like he's kind of like smirking in a way with that little dimple on the right cheek. Okay, so he is, I want to say fully articulated. Like, he can pivot the head, his hands can move, his elbows can move, his arms can go in and out, and up and down. His knees are articulated as well as his feet. I love, love, love his sneakers. They're super cute. They're high tops. His outfit is actually pretty cute too. I wasn't a fan of some of the other ones, but when I saw him on Amazon, I just couldn't pass him up. And if you're wondering about the top, is it separate from the green polka dotted shirt? And the answer is no. It velcros from the front right there where the buttons are, and the pants velcro in the back. And he's super cute, so welcome, Winston, to my Dollyverse. So here is the other doll that I had gotten off of Amazon. Like I said, it was either $10 or $9 and some change. I will link it on the screen, but this is kind of morbid because he only has a head. And the reason for that being, is because, I will show you here in a minute. But here is his outfit. I believe this was J-Hope. I'm not sure. Again, I am not a BTS fan, but this is the top, and it does the same thing as the other doll, which it just opens with Velcro right here. And I like the white, but I'm not a fan of the color. Again, I did not get him specifically because I wanted him, or the outfit, but he is super cute. Like, he is cute. He's probably not as cute as the other one's mouth. Like, the other one's mouth is like super cute. I think I like the other one more, but he is still cute nonetheless. So what I did was I added hot water to his head to soften it so I could remove it, and I did, and it was successful. It also removed the gel from his hair because the other one with the light blue highlights and the dark hair, again, they have gel in their hair to keep it sculpted and sleek. And so when I put the hot water on the head, it softened up. So now I'm going to show you the body. So this is what I did with his body. I head swapped him with a Fashionista. If I can find the number of the Fashionista, I will leave it on the screen. I specifically got these BTS dolls specifically for this head, so I could swap it out. And since this guy came first, this order came first, and that is why he got decapitated. So it was really difficult decapitating him. Again, you definitely want to use some hot water at your own risk, of course. But yeah, I thought I was going to break the peg when I did it, and it was definitely really difficult. It is a very sloppy mess because the head has a bigger hole versus this one. And how I can keep him looking good is I use collar shirts versus regular like V-neck shirts and whatnot. And I also made sure to tighten the peg that pivots the head. I made sure to use pipe cleaner. If you don't know what a pipe cleaner is, it is this. It is a bendy wire with fuzz on it. I actually used the purple one too for his neck. You can kind of see it on the opposite side, but I think right here is good. There is a lot of room in the back of the cranium because the hole is so much larger. So that is definitely what makes it difficult. But you know what? I think he looks cute. Like, I am impressed that it worked. It did make him a little bit shorter because most Kens are a little bit taller. And since this is a BTS and not a Ken doll body, then it made it a little bit more smaller and more comparable to Barbie. So if you want to make a flat-chested Barbie or a transgender Barbie or whatever you want, you definitely might want to check out the BTS dolls for that. Because they're affordable and they're pretty good quality. I mean, like, the joints are really stiff, but overall I'm impressed. So for the next few items that I had gotten off of Amazon, this was probably about $12, $13, $10, $9, something like that. Again, I will link the price on the screen. I will try to leave links to each purchase down below in the description box if I can find those items still. So these are sculpting tools for polymer clay. The blue ones over here are like rubber. They're kind of silicone-y. I got these for sculpting, especially faces and things, just because I needed some. So here they are up close. They're blue with brown handles. And I got 5 of these. I can't wait to start using these. Again, I will do a review on these in a separate video. These guys are heavy, and these are ball tools. And these are good for making bowls and things. And there is 4 in here, but they are double-sided. See, these are bigger ones, and then this side is like a little bit smaller. They're really heavy duty. They're silver and light blue. These ones are needle tools, and these are good for nail art, and they're like really, really tiny. And they are also double-sided, and you get 5 of them. I believe these are pottery tools, and they are also double-sided, and they are wooden. I don't have a pottery wheel, so I probably won't get to use these anytime soon, but they are still awesome to have. These ones I really don't care too much about. They are just plastic, black tools. I mean, like, you can't have too many ball tools. So, and you get 4 of them in here. I basically got this for these 2 things. I thought that was a good price just for these 2 things alone, because I don't have any of these tools in my collection, and I definitely want to up my polymer clay game, you know. So, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, also, it came with a sponge.